I'm recording her now.
Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, Simba. So did you hear what Holly said?
I don't know. What did Holly say?
What's she doing?
She is, well, she's still playing with the mouse. I can't believe it's still alive.
Holly's suggesting dominoes.
For what?
For tonight.
And? Does that mean none of you do breakfast?
I'll pay for it.
Oh, you pay for dominoes? No problem.
You see? Hey, why don't you actually pay for the lava cakes?
I don't know. I'll think. Well, if I'm paying for breakfast, find out how long Tommy needs you, and if you could go to breakfast first, call him back.
It's fine.
Call him back.
It's fine.
Please.
It's fine, okay? I just want to go ahead and get these stupid trophies over with. I don't want to hear it.
Go.
Okay? I don't
Go.
want to deal with them anymore today.
Will you eat the mouse? You know. Yeah, that's cat food. Eat it, Judy. Eat it. Well, there goes Jenna. They're going bye-bye. Is that it?